What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, the check engine light is gone. Let's go. I'm so pumped. Unfortunately, I did have to get the O2 sensors replaced. Post-cat, downstream O2 sensors went bad at some point. I don't know when. Well, I do know when my check engine light came on. Yeah, took it in. Well, let me backtrack here. First, let me pull out of my neighborhood. There's kids everywhere. All right, so flash backwards, I guess, like a week ago. Last weekend, I flashed my car. Actually, 2 weekends ago, I flashed my car and took burbles off. So you guys will hear on this drive, no more burbles. So just pure engine sounds, took the burbles completely off. But anyways, I think I've already, by the time I'm posting this, I think I've already posted a video that has shown that. I'm not too sure, I can't honestly remember. I don't know how to replace O2 sensors on the cats, so after I flashed it, the check engine light stayed on, and I read the codes, and I was like, okay, what the hell is going on? Why are there two codes reading disconnection of the O2 sensors? So it said like bank 1 and bank 2 or something like that. I can't remember. If I have a screenshot, I'll put it here, what those codes were. But anyways, I messaged MHD and I was like, yo, like I thought I could tune these codes out, and they were like, no, those are actual faults that we can't mask on the tune. You have to get either a custom tune, or we recommend just ultimately replacing the sensors. And so I just opted to go ahead and replace the sensors because, you know, I don't want to have to run. Okay, can you cross? Golly. I don't want to have to, you know, deal with this issue in the future. So I don't know how they went bad, but they did. And we got it fixed. So, and yeah, now the check engine light's gone, and I can't really say the car's running smoother because I don't feel like it really is. It feels better without the burbles, I will say that. But yeah, it's just more peace of mind getting that check engine light off, because like I've said in previous videos, when that check engine light's on, it's on, you know, and you don't know when another code is getting thrown at you. So it's best to try to get that cleared as soon as possible. It's nice to have the car back. I actually took it in on Thursday, last Thursday. They ordered the O2 sensors, so they were supposed to get in on Friday, last Friday, but they just, I guess, didn't get delivered in time. So had to go the weekend without the car, which was pretty annoying. And then they got delivered on Monday, and they're actually closed on Monday, so I picked up the car on Tuesday. So here we are, Thursday, and no check engine light. So he was telling me that I might need to do a software update if the check engine light comes back on, which I guess is possible. Which it's like, what the like, come on, like why? You know, I'm just hoping it stays off. I'm just hoping that it stays off. You know, I don't want to have to deal with the check engine light coming back on. So, anyways, if I would have done, what is this guy doing? If I would have done a software update, it would have locked the DME, to my understanding, and I would not have been able to tune it without unlocking the DME again. So I wasn't the first person to tune this car, so I don't know if this required a DME, like a bench unlock. Or if you were able to just tune this platform straight with MHD or boot mod without a bench unlock. I don't know, because I wasn't there. So yeah, overall I'm happy. The M4 is back up and running, so to speak, I guess. I don't know, it was running already, but had the CEL on and I was not happy with that. For a couple months it had that on there. Ever since I started filming on YouTube, I'm pretty sure I've had a check engine light. And a lot of people have pointed that out to me. It's like, yes, it's there. And I thought a tune would be able to code it out, but it didn't. So here we are. Got it fixed for now. Until something else comes up, and then I hope that's a while between now and then. But yeah, car sounds great without burbles. I'm very happy. There's a couple things I want to touch up on the tune, but I'm not running a multi-map right now. For those of you familiar with MHD, I'm just running a single stage 1 tune. I will go stage 2 eventually, but I do want to get my charge pipes upgraded before I do that. So, but yeah. Exciting because I haven't driven this car without the annoying ass burbles on in sport mode. So now every downshift, every time I let off the pedal, high RPMs, no burbles, and I'm just so happy with that. It'll be fun to turn on every now and then, but it's staying off for a little while. I'm also a bit scared to reflash my car anytime soon because I don't want the check engine light to come back on for some reason. I don't know if like the ECU needs to, I don't know if the ECU needs to get like used to like the new parameters, I guess. The new sensor before, like, I don't want to, like, I don't know, rock the boat, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. But I'm so happy to have the car back. I'm gonna post more videos, gonna try and do one video every day this week and get back up to speed with that on my little gym series here. So I forgot to even mention that. Head to the gym as always. Hitting legs today though. So let's pop out and take a little look at the whip. I just washed it too. And of course it starts to rain. So the wheels are a little dirty, but that's okay. But that's it for today. We got rain for the first time in a while. I actually I walked to the gym when my car was in the shop because my 4Runner's broken down too. So I had to walk to the gym from my house, and it started pouring down rain while I was in the gym, so I kind of got stranded. So, but other than that, weather's been nice. Anyways, I'm off to hit legs, do some cardio, hit the sauna a little bit. And yep, that's all from me. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the support. We're almost to 400 subscribers. I hope we get there by the end of this month. If not, that's all good. We're grinding. So, hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your day here. And a good weekend coming up. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Peace.